Hello YouTubers. So in this video I would be covering why should one go for the adjustable levers for bikes, what is the advantage for it and how do they function. So this is my 600i and I've got the levers sourced from AliExpress. You do get them in DSK too. For around 4,000 bucks. They have much more functionality. They have a bend over here too. So first thing first, what are the adjustable levers? Basically you can adjust the leverage. You can bring the lever closer to your fingers or farther away, depending on if you have longer fingers or shorter ones. So whatever makes you comfortable, whichever level makes you comfortable, you can adjust to that. So how do you adjust them? You push the lever away from the bike, away from the accelerator for this brake one, and you adjust this small lever, which would change the distance. This distance would change. Number 6 being the farthest and number 1 being the closest. Same thing goes on the clutch side. Same thing goes on the clutch side. This is at the longest right now. Push the lever away from the bike, adjust the leverage, and the distance would shorten or increase. So this helps you have a better grip on the lever on the bike, better control on the bike. You feel more comfortable. That is the main advantage. Other than that, you also get foldable ones, the ones that fold from this part. They cost around 2,000 to 2,500 at minimum on AliExpress. Advantage of those levers are that when the bike falls, the lever pushes itself up so it doesn't break from here or bend from here, and you can pull the bike up and start riding. So once I get my hands on such levers, I'll make another video. Do add any questions in the comment section if you have regarding these levers. No, these do not affect the warranty. You get different colors in this. Blue is the color that I chose. Do like and subscribe. Do hit the like if you found this video good, and share it ahead. Subscribe. Thank you.